ಹಾಯ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಫ್ಲೂಯೆಂಟ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ವಿತ್ ಶೇಖರ್. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ 2026ರ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಮಟ್ಟದ SSLC ಪೂರ್ವ ಸಿದ್ಧತಾ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆ 2 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ನ ಕೀ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸನ್ನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ 4 alternatives are given for the each of the following questions. Choose the correct alternative and write the complete answer. First question is like this. Choose the appropriate question tag for the following statement. Swami's father returns home in the evening. Option A, doesn't he? Option B, hasn't he? Option C, didn't he? Option D, hadn't he? Swami's father returns home in the evening. The statement is in simple present tense. That's why we have to use does here. So the statement is positive. So you want negative question tag. So the answer is doesn't he. Option A is correct. Question number 2. Read the following conversation and choose the infinitive. Arman, Ashlesh, where are you going now? Ashlesh, I am going to the stadium to play badminton. Option A, or option B, to play. Option C, going. Option D, am. Option B is correct, to play. That is 2 plus verb 1. Question number 3. Read the following conversation and fill in the blank, choosing the most appropriate word or words. Father, David, did you get the bus? David, no dad, I narrowly missed it. Father, if you had left home a bit early, you dashed the bus. Option A, get. Option B, would get. Option C, would have got. Option D, will get. So this is what in a third conditional. So the correct answer is option C, would have got. If you had left home a bit early, you would have got the bus. Come to question number 4. Read the given conversation and choose the language function for the underlined sentence. Headmaster, good morning sir. I would like to invite you as a chief guest for the annual day function of our school. Chairman, it's my pleasure. I will definitely come. Option A, inviting. Option B, disagreeing. Option C, agreeing. Option D, suggesting. Here underlined sentence is I will definitely come. That means the chairman is agreeing. Option C is correct. Agreeing. Come to second main, do as directed. Question number 5. Which one of the following words has one syllable? Returning, safer, desperately, speak. Speak is the word which has only one syllable. Second main, do as directed. Question number 5. Which one of the following words has one syllable? Returning, safer, desperately, speak. Speak is the word which is having only one syllable. Come to question number 6. Combine the following sentences using so, dots, that. I am very tired. I cannot continue my work. The sentence becomes like this. The sentence becomes like this after combining the two sentences. I am so tired that I cannot continue my work. Question number 7. Fill in the blank choosing the correct article. Kashim is dash NCC cadet. The appropriate article is an vowel sound A. Because the abbreviation NCC begins with letter N, that gives this vowel sound A. That's why N is the correct answer. Kasim is an NCC cadet. Question number 8. Identify the parts of speech of the underlined word. I always prefer homely food. Here underlined word is homely. Homely is adjective here because food is noun. Question number 9. Fill in the blank with appropriate linker. I am hungry. I want to eat either a biscuit dash a fruit. Answer is or. I want to eat either a biscuit or a fruit. Come to question number 10. Fill in the blank with appropriate preposition. Anant died dash cancer. Anant died of cancer. Because here we use the preposition of to show the source of something. The source for Anant's death is cancer. That's why we have to use the preposition of. OF. Anant died of cancer. We use of to show the source of something. Question number 11. Fill in the blank with appropriate tense form of the verb given in the brackets. Arun dash in bracket B plus watch. Bracket close. TV yesterday when I visited his house. Answer is Arun was watching TV because it must be past continuous tense. Come to question number 12. Write the correct form of the word given in the brackets. Anant was already able to compose his own tunes to the dash of his guru in bracket astonish. Answer is astonishment. The word form astonish changes to astonishment. Question number 13. Use the word question as verb in your own sentence. This depends on students' grammar ability. Here the word question should be used as verb. This question depends on students' English ability. Here the student can form his own sentence, but you should use the word question as verb in the sentence. For example, I questioned my teacher yesterday. Here questioned becomes verb. Likewise, questioning others is very easy. ಬೇರೆಯವರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ತುಂಬ ಈಸಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನಿಂಗ್ ಕೂಡ ವರ್ಬಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಕಮ್ ಟು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 14. ಚೇಂಜ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಸೂಪರ್ಲೇಟಿವ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. Baleshwar was quicker than any other commuter in the train. The given sentence is in comparative degree. The student has to change it into superlative degree. Answer is Baleshwar was the quickest commuter in the train. Question number 15. Change the following sentence into passive voice. Satish hugged his father tightly. Here Satish is subject, hugged is verb, his father is object. That becomes his father was hugged by Satish tightly. Question number 16. Read the following conversation and change the underlined sentence into reported speech. Vani, Sharada, are you free today? Sharada, yes I am. Vani asked Sharada if she was free that day. Come to third main. The following sentence has two errors. Edit the sentence and rewrite it in the answer book. Question number 17. Swami hurried, got up and spread his bed under the bench, but crouched there. First clue is adverbial mistake to be corrected. Second clue, conjunction to be corrected. So you can observe here, Swami hurriedly got up and spread his bed under the bench ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ hurried is wrong. That must be hurriedly to make adverb. But crouched there is wrong. It must be Swami hurriedly got up and spread his bed under the bench and crouched there. So instead of but, we have to use the conjunction and. Dear friends, I hope you got the answer for these questions.